want this quality for your edits? Are you still wondering why is your 1080p clip still managed to look worse even after a bunch of upscaling? Well, don't worry, in this day tutorial I'm going to give you how to make 1080p clip to become actual real 4K. So let's get into it. First off, get ready with your clip right here. For me, I want to track this clip first before I upscale them. And if you're curious what the movie I use here is a movie name of Mr. Nice Guy. Before I upscale, I want to track this first. After you're ready, you can follow me on this export settings. You can either use vocoder and then use H264 NVIDIA NVENC on good quality. If you don't have an NVIDIA graphic cards, you could follow my settings right here on H264. You can follow this if you doesn't have an NVIDIA graphic cards. But if you do, use vocoder, like me in this case. After that, click render. After you're done rendering, open Topaz Video Ai. In this case, I using the Topaz 2.6.4 version. If you don't have or cannot use this version, you can use 2.3.0 or 2.6.0. Then add your clip at Topaz and then follow my settings. You can use medium and our theme is medium, or if your quality is so low, you can use low. But in my case right here, I might just need medium, so I use medium. Start processing. After done processing, you can import the upscaled file and then follow my settings. Use the exact format and process it. As you can see here, the quality has increased a lot. After done processing, go back to After Effects again, import the upscaled file, and then add adjustment layers. You can add Sharpen effect. If you don't have this, you need to download the plugin called Save File and follow my settings. And then add another effect again called BCC, Unsharp Mask. If you don't have this effect, you can download the plugin called BCC and then follow my settings. Later, you can add your own CC. And that's it. I hope you like my video, and if you like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a good day.